Hello everybody and welcome to another DCME tutorial. Today's tutorial we will show you about how to create your risk assessments, how to do embedded risk assessments, how to upload your own risk assessments. So let's jump in and let's show you. It's very simple. Again, we go to Operations, Service Users, and we select the service user, go to the Manage, Actions, and we go down to Assessments here. Click on the arrow and you've got your assessment of needs and risk assessments. So we click on the risk assessments. Now here we have different types of risk assessments. So we have risk assessment, risk levels. This is where we just put the type of risk and whether it's a low, medium or high. We also have our own embedded risk assessments, which is our own embedded forms. We have choking, falls, medication, moving and handling, premises and infection control. So to complete these, you select the risk assessment that you want to complete. You click next and we have our own embedded forms for you to complete that information. And we also have the option to upload your own. So if there's a risk assessment that we don't have as an embedded one, then you can upload your own and you simply just click on the upload document, select a document name, click browse, upload it from your PC. Please note that it has to be in PDF format and click save. And that's it. And that's all of the risk assessments that you should need. Gives you the option and flexibility to upload your own. And the carers can see the risk levels within the app currently. So yes, that's the risk assessments and hopefully that will make things easier for you going forward. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.